Hello everyone, hope you're doing all right. So this is hopefully the second video you are watching. You first watched the philosophy video, now you are watching this video. This video is about the 4 stages of learning and the 4 topics that we are applying over and over and over again. And that's why it's important to watch the videos that get updated daily. So if you do want to watch the old content, which is of course recommended, but watch or prioritize the new videos first because you're up to date, you're live, and it's maybe in a live market as well. So that's very important to realize and to do. The 4 stages of learning that we are applying is 1 will be about higher time frame analyst, because we first have to be a great higher time frame analyst, and next we have to execute on that. So we actually have to make money off of it. If and you'll see it a lot of the time, a lot of people on Instagram or Twitter, not taking a shot at anyone, but a lot of time, and I've been through this as well. At first, you are becoming a great analyst, so you know where price is going, but you just can't capitalize on it. You just can't make money on it. And that's frustrating, but we are going to work on that. And having that analyst phase, that's the first step. So don't see it as a bad thing. It's a great thing. You can analyze the market very well. You can know the direction very well. And that's a great, great, great thing. Absolutely great. And then we are going to execute on it. So we are going to form an entry model. And how can we capitalize on that analysis that we are doing so well? And all the work, and you'll hear me say this a lot. And again, I'm not going to touch on the topics too deep. You'll just see it for yourself, whatever happens. So a high time frame analysis is where the is where the hard work is done for us. Execution is just a simple entry model. 3, the most important one in my opinion of these 3, psychology. Psychology, we are having a week on psychology. So every topic right here will have its own week. First week of enrollment, higher time frame analyst. Second week of enrollment, execution. Third week is psychology. The 4th week is MMP. It's basically putting everything together. It's the money-making pyramid. And the money-making pyramid is, let me draw it right here for you. Let me draw a beautiful pyramid. All right, that's well enough. The money-making pyramid. What's at the foundation of our pyramid? What can we build on? Well, I have a great idea on that. It's psychology. Psychology, that's a foundation for us. That's where we can build on. Think about it. There are great, 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 great traders out there that know every technical concept, that know everything about technicals, that can execute, have a great high time frame analysis, but just can't get profitable. Why is this? Because their psychology is absolutely messed up. And if you have this, if you're a great trader, but you can't get psychology right, then you will not make money in the long run. Now let's flip it. If our psychology is absolutely great, we have the greatest mindset there is, but our execution is a little bit shitty, our high time frame analysis is a little bit shitty, we can still make money. As long as our psychology is great, we can still make money. So for example, an ICT, if his psychology is absolute at his worst, he won't make any money because sooner or later he will blow the account. If his psychology, or another retail trader that just trades support and resistance, his psychology is absolutely top notch and his execution is probably not that great as ICT, his higher time frame analysis is probably not that great as ICT, but he will make money. So it's very important to acknowledge. Then the next thing is execution. Why? Well, let me write the top one as well. Of course, that's a higher time frame analyst then. Well, why is it like this then? Well, let me tell you. You can be a great higher time frame analyst, and a lot of people are a great higher time frame analyst, but they can't execute on it. And if you're not executing on it, you will not make money. So the money-making pyramid is a fraud. You're not going to make money if there's no execution. And with execution and without a great high time frame analyst, the money-making pyramid is not complete. Can you still make money? Yes. Is it most efficiently? Can you make the most potential profit without high time frame analyst? No, I'm convinced you can't. And again, if I'm trying to scale everyone to millions of capital right here, or let's start at a few thousands of capital, and then build our way, and this will take years probably, build our way to 1 million capital. Let's have 1 million assets under management. Then if we don't have a high time frame analysis, and if we don't have a higher time frame view, then we will have liquidity problems eventually, because we are not going to get filled on the lower time frame on the 1 minute. We are not essentially here to trade the 1 minute and scalp the 1 minute. No, we are trading here. This, you can call this big money concepts. This is a big money concept. We are here to trade big money. That's our goal. And at least that's my goal. That's my vision. So we are here to trade big money. Keep that in mind whilst you're watching the videos, etc. We are here to trade big money. We are not, and I say this all the time in videos as well. You'll hear me say this in videos. We are not here to flip an account from 10K to 100K. No, we are here to get 100K capital and make 10K a month on it. That's it. We are not here to flip an account. We want consistent gains a month. That's it. And then we could either flip an account from 10K to 1 million, or we could take it easy and we take a year of our time and we trade a 100K account, a funded account, whatever, and we fix our track record. We have our track record for it. And then afterwards, what do? If we have a great track record, then we throw it up online, we get a license, and we start looking for investors. That's it. Or if you don't want to take that route, fund it and get funded with prop firms. It's a perfect timing, because in this day and age, you can get funded like this with a click on the button. It's that not simple, not easy to get funded, but the opportunity is there, and that's important. So all this makes the MMP, the money-making pyramid. All this is the money-making pyramid. If this is in line, you will make money no matter what. Not financial advice. Nothing here is financial advice. So yeah, had to say that. But if we take a look at the thing, this is something I made right here. And this is the same thing. So eventually we'll touch on this in MMP as well. And we'll touch on the order of proceeding. Psychology needs to be running. This gear needs to be on for us to proceed to higher time frame analyst. If psychology is not running, then the higher time frame analyst phase, we will not focus on that. We will not even get to it. So if we wake up in the morning ahead of our trading session, our psychology is not in check, then we will not proceed to higher time frame analyst. If higher time frame analyst is also running, but we can't get to a clear drawn liquidity on the higher time frame, etc., then we don't proceed to execution, and then everything is off. If everything is running, then that's perfect. Then we can get to execution, etc. Now, same as here. If we want to get to success, if we want to get to the top, we need to have the foundation. Psychology, first one. Higher time frame analyst, second one. Execution, third one. What's the fourth one? That's the money-making pyramid. Then you are going to make money, going to maintain the things, you're going to get better. And we'll touch on each topic in depth later on, so don't worry about that. So that's the money-making pyramid. That's the 4 stages of learning you are going to go through right here. And every month we'll repeat. We'll obviously update some exercises, update some stuff, etc. for you to get even better. So hope this was insightful, and next video, hopefully you're watching, will be touching on the Notion and the Notion you are going to be using, etc. So thank you, and I'll see you at the next one.